open your Chrome, and if you're using a mobile phone, then you are going to go straight to the Google Classroom. Here it is. The Google Classroom. So if you're already a student and you're enrolled in a classroom, you'll be able to see the classrooms, and you'll click on one of your classroom. Now you will see your assignments over here, all the assignments. If this is an assignment you want to upload your task for it, you'll click on it. From here I'm going to add or create. So you click on it. I'll go to the folder. I've added an image here, so I'll upload it. Once you upload it, you're going to mark. So once it's uploaded, you have to turn in so that your teacher is able to see the work. So turn in. Now your task is given to your teacher and your assignment is submitted. Okay, hope that helps.